Hey, what's up guys? It's Kai with KVG Welding. Just giving you an update. So we got the leg in, pad in. Got that changed out. Just a heads up, this is pretty flimsy here. And I got a whole lot of stiffness to it. Not sure what we want to do anything about that, but that's number 2. And then this is number 3. We got those in. Now this one, we have this one cut out. We only had a part that were short parts, so I'm gonna keep this one here. I know y'all were gonna take it back, but I didn't want to leave it at the powder coat. I don't want them to powder coat it because it's not fixed, so it's not gonna be complete. So we got this one here at the shop. So 3 leg sides, and then we have these 2 that are getting finished. We got one there. Got that part welded in there. This one had no additions. That was I was told to keep that the same. So that's what we're looking like. So we got 2, this part of the machine going, and then these 3 going. 1 will remain here. We need these parts for this machine. Okay, you